Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by launching iMovie and creating a new movie project. Choose the aspect ratio that fits your final platform. Next, import your media. Drag files from Finder or use photos and camera imports, then sort into events or simple folders. Once done, skim clips and mark favorites so you only place usable footage on the timeline. Make sure to enable background media processing so iMovie can build previews while you work. This speeds editing and prevents freezes when you start arranging clips. With clips on the timeline, start refining. Trim edges by dragging or press B to blade and remove soft bits. Once clips sit correctly, apply smooth transitions like cross-dissolve, adjust duration for pacing. For motion, change speed to create emphasis or smooth slow motion, and use picture-in-picture or split screen for multi-take comparisons. Audio matters, reduce background noise using the built-in filter. Position music at about -6 decibels so dialogue remains clear, and make use of keyframes when you need gradual audio changes. Finish by watching the whole project to confirm cuts, titles, and color grading. Apply stabilization and one final audio pass so levels are consistent. When ready, go to Share and choose File, pick Resolution and Quality, use a high bitrate master for archives and a smaller compressed copy for web. Once exported, back up the project and media. If export fails, first check available disk space, then restart iMovie and your Mac. If problems persist, update software, or transcode problematic clips to ProRes before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.